What's going on, my friends, and welcome back once again to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright, so I ran across something pretty interesting. A midair collision, or a near midair collision with an orb and an approaching aircraft. Now, this video comes from a YouTube channel, Tom King, and he lives close to Sky Harbor. That's the local airport in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, this is recorded in August of 2000, a couple years after the Phoenix Lights. And he has been recording, him and 3 others have been recording a lot of orb activity in this area. Now, apparently they have taken some interest in the airport. These are large red orbs that are hovering up and down and circling each other right above the airport, right in the way of approaching planes. Now, you can see the planes turning to avoid them. One was a very near miss, and another one was a pretty close call as well. Take a look at this. Give me your opinion. Why didn't the FAA shut the airport down? Why didn't they send a helicopter or call the military to check out what was going on? Alright, take a look at this. Give me your opinion, and as always, let's talk about it. Alright, here we go.
Over there. I'm going up. Hand me this camera. Then hand me the camera bag. I had to disconnect live again to do the rough. They're too low. Okay, hand me the camera. Oh, awesome. You should come up here with your camera, Rob. Awesome view. Thanks. Because this is awesome. Okay, if you come up here, don't walk, because you gotta stand in the same spot. So it vibrates the camera walking. Taking the 5X off. Going to night shot. Okay, here we go. Here comes an airplane. Or I'll get it in a second. This is confusing. I don't know what to do. I might have to run to the other end of the roof again. Okay, there goes the aircraft. Coming in for approach with the double bubbas. I'm going to run to the other end of the roof. Here it comes, turning into approach. The 2 lights do not care, I guess, about any of these aircraft. Here they come. It's flying. The aircraft will actually fly over the top of these objects. Whoa. Oh my God, man, we're gonna have a midair collision pretty soon. Holy cow. Oh no, they better not hit. Jesus, it flew in between Bubba. Holy Jesus, it flew in between Bubba. Holy shit. Holy shit, it almost hit that one. Going back to high power. Well, Bubba's back on Tuesday, I guess. Come on, high power, screw on. They are, I would say, 5 miles from me tonight. That was the closest I have ever seen an aircraft get to this thing. Come on, zoom faster, zoom. Hey, check those lights out over there. See those red lights? They're UFOs. Those 2 red lights flying in the sky? Yeah, an airplane almost hit one of them. Check them out, they're weird. The airplanes are flying around them. They're flying in the middle of the flight path of Sky Harbor. They'll be there for 20 minutes. Yeah, I've been recording them for a month now. Hopefully tonight the military will come out and do something about it. There's airplanes all over the place tonight. Okay, one more time. I'm going to try the 5X. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, because I couldn't get both of them in the same shot before on 5X. Almost looks like they're hovering. Let me zoom this one really good. One's on top of the other one. One of them stopped, I guess. I'm just gonna sit here like this and leave it. Yeah, one of them slowed down to allow the other one to catch up. Now, another incoming aircraft is coming. I would say from the look of this with the naked eye that these are 20 foot in diameter, at least, to be that bright and that far away and that large to the naked eye. Another aircraft is flying underneath them now. That was an amazing shot of those two aircraft. Or that aircraft flying in the middle of them. Man, they're almost stacking up on top of each other. Let's do that and study the flight path. Another aircraft coming in for landing. I'll tell you, the one that flew in between these two, I think that pilot did this on purpose to get a good look at these things. They're almost on, wow, this is a little bit different. Oh man. Here comes an aircraft heading right for him. This is just amazing. That one almost stopped. Oh, that aircraft steered away. The aircraft has steered away from the UFOs. That one stopped so the other can align. That's it. These are UFOs. This is no hoax. Rhonda is calling everybody on her list. Yeah, uh-oh. If the one stopped, then that means zoom in on it. That's what I think. If you stop and hover, then don't. Holy shit. Going to night mode. One of them, just the bottom one, I think disappeared. See if we can pick it up on night vision. One of them had just disappeared. There it is, I think. How did it get over there? Is that a star? I can't, whatever that light is up to the corner, I cannot see it with my naked eye. Well, I'll just keep it there. If it's a star, we'll see how it moves. I don't know what to do. Regular mode, color, infrared. Oh, it's blinking out. Here comes another aircraft. It's steering right into it. It's getting dimmer. I think it's moving east. That's why. I don't know what happened to the one. Man, oh man, this is getting bad. This is getting bad. The FAA needs to do something before it's too late. Oh yeah. It's too late. They're heading east. One disappeared. If you're driving, I want to go with, but... okay, but it's going. I'd go, but I can tell this thing's... Okay, this thing's gonna boogie. It almost got hit an airplane. It came really close. Somebody needs to do something before it's too late. There's too much air traffic in this corridor. Somebody's gonna get killed. Come on, let's get that other Bubba back. Okay, I think that's a star, the one that was in the upper left-hand corner. And I'm gonna film another aircraft coming in. Man, I hope everybody's shooting tape tonight. Now, what, the pilot, how many passengers are sitting on the left side, the right side of that aircraft? About 50 to 100? And they probably looked out the window and just shit their pants. I would. Okay, here comes another one. Just consistent air traffic. Oh my God, it's dropping. I'm not touching the camera. Bubba is going to night mode. Bubba is taking off. Look at that. Not touching the camera. Bubba is shooting down.
Alright guys, here's a closer look at the near collision that happened above Sky Harbor. We've got the airplane coming in on approach. We have the two orbs there. He flies right beside the one. Man, I know that's too close to call. And then right above the other. So this pilot knows his stuff. I guess he wasn't going to be intimidated. Or maybe he wanted to get a closer look to see what that object was. I know I would like to know what it is. Mr. King goes on to say the one pilot that flew in between the two orbs, he went on to say that that pilot was going to come forward to speak about what he saw. And then at the last minute, he changed his mind and decided not to come forward. Now, what probably happened, and Mr. King said the same thing, is that he was probably threatened with his job if he was to come forward, that he would lose his job. And therefore he did not come forward. So I wonder what this pilot saw, or if, when he flew close to it. Mr. King said that these objects appear to be 20 foot in diameter. I'm sure that he can get a better idea what they look like than what we could. Now, I know the video was rather long, but it goes to show that these pilots were seeing these objects. You can see how they reacted to them. The first pilot flew in between them, fairly close to one of them, and to get a better look at it. And then we saw two other pilots, one that veered off course, and then one that went below these orbs that were hanging out above Sky Harbor Airport. And this was recorded in Arizona, around Phoenix. No, Tom says it was in Gilbert, Arizona. So I guess Gilbert is a suburb of Phoenix, Arizona. Anyway, so I just want to put that out to you to maybe give us a better understanding of this orb phenomenon that we've got going on here in 2021. Like I said, this was recorded in 2000. So, there's 21 years of orb activity, and, that goes beyond. That's just the world has become a smaller place with technology, and sightings are more prevalent. And maybe that's why we've got the government coming forward and saying UFOs are real, because they can't do damage control like they could before. There's too many eyes on what's going on. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. and donate if you can. I've got PayPal and Patreon. We're up to 5 members on Patreon, so if you would like to be the 6th member, hey man, that would be outstanding. All right, guys, this is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.